All right, welcome back everybody. So I've got a big box here. Been waiting for this for about a month, roughly. I think we ordered this back in mid-November. Here in Northeast Ohio, it gets cold. It's like 30 degrees right now, and December 22nd or 3rd, whatever day it is. So we use a lot of waste oil over there. Got a couple 100 gallons of used oil here. You know, with changing truck oil and hydraulic oils, whatever, fuel, everything, all kinds of different oils. So I've been using in this shop here. I've been running a diesel kerosene torpedo heater. That guy right there, I think that's 145,000 BTU. Puts out a lot of heat, but the prices of diesel fuel, I mean, kerosene, don't even go buy kerosene. It's like $5 a gallon or something for kerosene, but I've been burning diesel fuel in it. And that thing, it'll go through like 40 bucks of fuel a day. So I figured doing work here in this shop for the time being until we get the new shop and all that put up, it just isn't economical. So I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time. My Napa store is a distributor for Energy Logic. And actually I talked to Energy Logic about their heaters and boilers and all that. And they said, hey, Napa's a distributor, and Napa actually had the best price, and I got an account down there and all that, so they even worked it out to where they'll put it across, charge me 3 different months for it, so I don't have to pay for it all at once too. So that's kind of nice. Also having an account down there with them and having a good relationship with your suppliers. So this is the Energy Logic 75H, 75,000 BTU. It's all self-contained. Supposed to be. We'll see if it's broken or torn. We'll see what happens when we take it out of the box. So I just came in today, went down and got it, and so wanted to go ahead and open it up and see what we got here. So with that, we'll go ahead and cut it open. How will I get this box off of here? Oh. Okay. There's a lot of stuff. All right, so I got the box off. Just some plastic off of here. Looks like it came with stuff falling off. Came with the whole chimney, insulated chimney pipe and all that, whole flue, round top, which I didn't think it came with all that stuff when I bought it. So that actually makes it that much more of a value. And in case you're wondering, out the door, tax, title, delivery, all that stuff, I was like at $4,130 roughly. So just a little over $4,000 for this. And like I said, I didn't expect it to come with insulated chimney pipe and all that. So that's kind of a surprise too, because that stuff isn't that cheap. But I mean, I figure we'll, probably in one winter, if I'm burning diesel, I mean, it'll almost pay for itself. And then that way, on top of that, to get rid of used oil here in our area, they charge you 45 cents a gallon to come pick it up and take it, plus I think they're charging a $30 to $50 stop fee on top of, the gallon fee that they have too. So not only am I not buying diesel fuel to put in my heater, I'm not paying to get rid of my waste oil. So it's kind of a double-edged sword, I guess you could say. So then we got some single wall stovepipe, which that isn't too expensive. Slip connector. More insulated chimney. Single wall stovepipe. And I guess that's actually a big bushing to put it on your building. More stovepipe. That's a lot of stuff. I mean, that's a couple $100 of stovepipe and stuff there. So. stovepipe stuff. Chimney pipe adapter. Roof support kit. So I mean that's the whole installation kit and everything. I didn't anticipate getting all that stuff, so I thought I was gonna have to supply all that stuff. So then we got an installation operator's manual. Have to maybe take a look at that. Black tea with control. No idea what that is. Yeah, we'll have to open that. So, yeah, definitely gonna have to look at the instructions. Oh, this is actually for the roof, for the outside, like a big seal for that insulated pipe is what that's for. So that should work nice with this. This is flexible for this type of building here, since this is a Quonset, but it's not a flat roof, so that they work out well. So this is. This is a damper draft control. So it looks like we basically have everything we need to put this thing together. Like I said, that's surprising. I thought I would have to buy some stuff. But yeah, we'll take you around here and show you the rest of the unit. All self-contained. So it's got a 10-gallon tank right here to put used oil in. So I'm gonna have to pump oil out of my big tank there. I'll probably rig up some type of system or electric pump to pump stuff in. A couple more little boxes here. This is a filter, I believe. Thermostat. And some more hardware and stuff here. Manometer. So definitely gonna have to look at the instructions on this one. So looks pretty interesting. So you said it's the EnergyLogic EL75H. Yeah, all self-contained unit, guys. So it actually made here in the U.S. I believe they're made up in Wisconsin. I think I thought they said they were made up in Tennessee or something, but this says Wisconsin on here. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. A lot of stuff here. We'll probably do some more when I actually start installing this thing, which probably might be this weekend. We'll probably, once we get it, maybe do something during the installation and then actually firing it up and getting it started. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. So I just thought I'd share this with you. Like I said, I'm trying to save some money here on fuel and also not paying to get rid of my used oil. And I need some heat in here because it's cold right now and it's going to get a lot colder, you know, time January, February comes here, so we'll be down to 0, maybe below 0. And I don't like working in the cold too much if I don't have to. So anyways, we're going to try this guy out. There'll be more to follow, so stay tuned. If you're new, subscribe, like the video, and hit the bell for the updates so you can always be seeing the new stuff we're putting out. We appreciate all the support and everything. Questions, comments, and all that good stuff as well. So thanks again, guys, and we'll see you next time.